how to increase your income. It doesn't matter if you're a student, you're a business person, you're in ministry, you are whatever, this will work for you. Okay? First of all, I want to tell you, I'm not teaching magic. So until you don't practically apply this, this will not work. So the first thing, if you want to increase your income, you have to work on your identity. I've had a business for some time now, 10 years, and I have a staff in my church and obviously led so many volunteers. So I've learned and I've seen these two kinds of people who I always work with. The first one is the one who always create problems. The second one is the one who solve problems. So the first thing that you need to work on your identity is to become the one who solves the problems, not the one who creates the problems. The one who create problems, they keep adding to the workload, keep adding confusion, they become inefficient to the organization. So don't be a problem creator, be a problem solver. Get that identity right, okay? You know why people give you money? Very simple. Understand, it's not because of your job. It's because of your value. Every promotion in life is tied to the value that you bring. Okay? So, don't think your boss is determining your salary or your client is determining your salary. What you bring in value, that determines your income. That's why you can be anyone, you can be doing anything. You can be at any place, but if you improve your value, the value that you bring on the table, your income will increase. That's a simple principle. 7 keys to increase your income. First, become a problem solver. Don't focus on asking for more money. Focus on solving bigger problems. Don't focus on asking for more money. Focus on solving bigger problems. Joseph solved Pharaoh's biggest problem. He solved the problem of his dream to be interpreted, and then he solved the problem of the famine. He solved an economical problem. That's why he was promoted. Proverbs 22:29 says, "Do you see a man skillful in his work? He will stand before kings." So the greater the problem you solve, the greater your value becomes. Become a problem solver. Wherever you are. Don't be selective about solving problems. मैं church में हूँ, तो यहाँ पे जो हो रहा है. Be a problem solver wherever you go. Wherever. You never know how the blessing will come to you. Got it? Second, be different. You cannot make a difference until you are different. Be different. अरे 100 साल से वही काम चल रहा है, आप भी वैसे ही कर रहे हो, तो आपने क्या difference बनाया? You didn't make a difference. So be different. Be different in your approach. Look for problems that others avoid. Look for problems that others don't want to solve. Daniel 6 verse 3. Daniel distinguished himself. He was different because he had an excellent spirit. He was different. It is how distinct you are that will attract promotion. आप एक टीम के हिस्सा हो जिसमें 20 लोग हैं. आप में और उनमें कोई अंतर नहीं है. तो why will the boss promote you? As simple. It is your distinction that brings promotion. आपका भी business वही same business करता है जो बाकी 100 बंदे कर रहे हैं. आपके business और बाकी 100 बंदों के business में कोई difference नहीं है. Why will someone come to you? Then you're just leaving yourself to chance. You want distinction. You want people to see, people to acknowledge. Be different. You don't have to copy others. Be different. God has created you to be unique. So be different. ठीक है? Third, respect those in authority. Why? Because honor opens doors. Dishonor closes doors. What you honor, you will attract. What you dishonor, you will repel. David honored Saul despite Saul's failures. Honor will attract. What you honor, you will attract. What you dishonor, you will repel. So if you see a similar business that is doing better than you, honor, learn from them, honor them. You see a ministry that's doing better than you, honor. If you dishonor them, if you think, अरे ये तो कुछ गलत number कर रहे हैं, without knowing any details, if you dishonor them, you will repel. Fourth, सिर्फ paper में मत लिखना, अपने दिमाग में लिख देना ये, ठीक है? Choose solutions over complaints. Complaining kills your creativity. The more you complain, the more your creativity dies inside of you. So choose to seek solution rather than complaining. ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा, ऐसा होता है. अरे तो आप ठीक करो. Every complaint is revealing a problem waiting for the solution. है ना? कंप्लेन क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम है. तो अगर कंप्लेंट कोई कर रहा है, you be the one who solves the problem. Don't complain. Find the solution. Philippians 2:14, do all things without complaining. Nehemiah focused on rebuilding the walls. He didn't complain. There were so many challenges that Nehemiah faced. Enemies all around. People were not motivated. He had to motivate his own people. He had to fight the enemy that was external. But he didn't complain. He focused on building. So don't complain. Focus on building. Whenever you find someone else complaining, no, it is your opportunity to shine. Jump at it. Don't speak the same language. उनके साथ same गाना मत गाने शुरू कर देना. That's your opportunity for you to shine. Love to serve people. If you don't like serving people, you will remain limited in life. There is no growth without serving people. Tell me one job which does not involve serving people. Focus on serving people before you focus on profit. Wherever any company you see, which is profit minded, eventually people stop trusting it. For example, you go to a hospital and you see that they are purposely putting tests so that they can make money. Will you go to that hospital again? So focus on serving people. Focus on solving their problem than focusing on profit. When people see that you have solved their problem, they will reward you. The Son of Man came to serve, not to be served. Jesus said, the more people you serve, the more valuable you become. Always learn to increase your capacity to serve more people. Don't be happy serving 2 people, serving 3 people. Yeah, you begin by serving 1 person, 2 person, 1 client at a time, 2 clients at a time. But you have to learn to build your capacity to serving more. That is where the real growth is. That is where the scalability of your business, the scalability of your ministry, the scalability of your job determines by how many people you serve. 6. Walk with great minds. Your environment shapes your thinking. Proverbs 13 verse 20. Walk with the wise and become wise. If you walk with the foolish, you'll become foolish. If you walk with people who keep complaining, you will keep complaining. If you walk with people who keep gossiping, you'll keep gossiping. Walk with great minds. Be friends with people who think big. Don't be friends with people who keep thinking small. They will quench your hunger also. 1 Corinthians 15:33. Bad company corrupts good character. Proverbs 27:17. Iron sharpens iron. Walk with great minds, okay? Why? Because your income cannot grow beyond your mind. अगर आपका माइंड का लिमिटेशन है 1 लाख, तो आपका इनकम उतना ही रहेगा, उससे ज्यादा बढ़ नहीं सकता. तो अगर आपको 10 लाख सोचना है, आपको उन लोगों के साथ चलना पड़ेगा जो 10 लाख सोचते हैं. Your mind determines your limitation. 7th, increase your capacity. You can only be effective in the opportunities that you have if you increase your capacity. अगर एक पास्टर का कैपेसिटी सिर्फ 10 लोगों को सर्व करने का है, तो 10 लोग ही आएंगे. अगर 20 लोग भी आ जाएं, तो 10 लोग में लिमिटेड हो जाएगा. वैसी अगर आपकी कैपेसिटी, मेंटल कैपेसिटी बिजनेस की सिर्फ 10 क्लाइंट्स को सर्व करने का है, तो 20 लोग भी आ जाए ना, तो भी वो 10 में बदल जाएगा. So you have to increase your capacity. So how do you increase your capacity? 2 Timothy 2 verse 15. Study to show yourself approved. Ecclesiastes 10:10. Wisdom increases effectiveness. Wisdom increases effectiveness. आप जितना और वाइज हो जाओगे, उतना आपकी जो धार है वो शार्प होती रहेगी. The more sharper you become. You don't have to waste time unnecessarily. Read books. Don't just watch Netflix and shorts. Nobody learns anything from shorts. कोई education नहीं मिल रहा reels में. Got the 7 keys? Identity. That's the first one. Second one. Be different. Think creatively. Okay? Be different. Find a solution. Okay? Think creatively. Okay. 3. Respect those who are in? Okay. 4.
Choose solution rather than complain.
Huh?
Choose solution over complaint.
Don't complain. Okay. Next.
Love serve people.
Okay. Next.
Walk with faith.
Yes. Walk with great mind. जो बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. बस बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Walk with great minds. Next.
Increase the capacity.
हो गया?